Hello and welcome to SBC, SB Cinema. In today's video I will show you how to build your own high performance camera Obscura just from household items you probably have already at home. Okay, here they are. And that's all we actually need. Okay, now let's clean the optic. We don't want any dust or fingerprints. And this is it's glass, by the way. But they sell them at the dollar store. Yeah, this is a really cheap piece. So this makes it a dollar store DIY, kind of. Hello. Yeah, it's clean enough, don't you think? Okay, let's move on. Next we need a cardboard box. Put the optic on top of it and just look for a nice spot in the middle and then trace it out. Just like this. You have to work precisely here. You don't want the hole to be too big. You want it to be slightly too small so it fits snug inside of it. Haha. Okay, now let's X-Acto knife cut it out. Take your time, and as you see I'm cutting a bit inside the actual holes inside of the marking. And I will not speed this part up because it is important to take your time here, otherwise you have ruined a perfectly good cardboard box that you probably have got for free, but anyways. Yeah, take your time and slowly, really slowly, cut your way around it, just like this. And that's it. Next step, next. We fit it inside. It holds quite good. But what we are doing now, next will be hot glue time. Yeah. We all know and love hot glue guns, and actually this is the perfect space for it. This is the perfect application for a hot glue gun. Just glue it from the inside in the box, just like this. Going around here, and I also put a bit of hot glue under the handle because we want this to last. Yeah, this is nothing I will throw apart, throw away after the video. This will actually be used. Yeah. Okay, here it is, the finished camera Obscura Deluxe, using an actual lens. Okay, this is the outside, and now I will show you how it looks from the inside. And as we see, when I hold my hand in front of it, the magnification is quite good. So, it's now mounted in my window. And let's see how it works. Nice and sharp. So, and one thing you have probably noticed already, yeah, the footage is upside down, and so I have inverted it digitally. But this is the way such single lens devices work. Okay, and now a short explanation for what this actually can be used. And as you see, when I hold my hand behind the viewing screen, which is just a normal sheet of paper, You see, this is no fake or anything. The light comes from outside, hits the lens and gets projected on the viewing screen here. So, what can you do now with this kind of device? Okay, first thing, you can use it to trace something. Just follow the lines with your pencil and you have a picture. Second, you can use a light sensitive chemical like lemon juice or cyanotype liquid. And the lens is projecting. And if we bend the paper, we get in and out of focus. Yeah, it's quite fun. So, I hope you have enjoyed watching this video as much as I have enjoyed building and using this camera. And one thing I wanna say, if you decide to build one yourself, please share the link in the video description. I really wanna see something like this. So, and well, there's not much to say now. Press like, subscribe to my channel for more stuff like this, and well, then see you later.